Network Entertainment.
Welcome to Lecheng Pag-ibig To.
New episode every Wednesday.
Papi, napapansin mo ba? Ako tanggap ko naman na may edad na ako.
Wow!
Kasi itong birthday ko talagang tinulog ko unlike before. Alam mo yung
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Hindi, Papi, alam niyo ba
yung
yun?
birthday tulog, ha?
Totoo yun na 2 days ako natulog. Kahapon lang ako nagising. Char! Chika lang.
Pero fresh, ha?
Thank you so much.
Nagbike ng balerto, nakita mo ba?
Sinasama ko nga to eh. Alam mo yun
Hindi ko alam kaya ko gawin yung...
Kaya mo yun.
But,
And once magawa mo, sabihin mo, ulit-ulitin mo siya. Sarap. Parang you're so close with the nature.
I'm not gonna lie, nainggit ako sa...
Sumama ka next
sinusundan
time.
ko yung
We
ano
are
ni Mike.
planning Bulacan or QC to Pagudpud. Or
Holy
vegan.
shit.
Or vegan.
Vegan, yes. Pagudpod, no.
Layo.
Motor nga, nahirapan ako.
O
Pagudpod.
yan, ginawa mo na siya ng motor.
Oo, pagod...
So these are the things na nagpapakalma sa atin. Pero di ba merong mga bagay na nagpapainit ng ulo natin dati. We spend so much time on those things. Pero ngayon parang wala na lang. Hindi naman wala, pero hindi mo na masyadong pinag-aaksayahan ng oras kasi parang feeling mo, waste of time, waste of energy, or matanda ka na para patulan yung mga ganong bagay.
I was gonna ask that. Do you think it's because of age?
Yes.
Belated happy birthday, by the way.
And also to you,
shout out sa
we're
mga-
both August, by the
Mga
way.
Leo kids.
Leo and Virgo.
Kasi nasa dulo ka na pala,
Ano
right?
ba ugali ng Leo?
Hindi kasi ako ma-astrology masyado.
talaga?
Oo.
Bakit?
Wala kasi feeling ko, maybe I believe it a little bit, 30%, pero feeling ko hindi rin naman lahat ng
Pero
August.
ma-feng shui ka.
Oo.
Labo nito, no?
Hindi nga, bumlas Bombay pa ako no?
Ayun, tas Bombay ka pa.
Gusto mo ba si Master Hans?
Pwede.
Sabi ko pangalan mo, ha? Tama yung reaction ni
Talaga, papi.
Anyway, sige.
Pero yan,
Do you think
I wanna know your
things
list.
you don't care about as much, wala na akong pakialam
Ikaw,
dito, or
what
I
are-
stopped caring too much about this, is it because of age?
Yes. And because, siguro sana kahit papano may wisdom na tayo dahil mas may edad na eh. Alam mo yun, may natutunan na tayo from the past na pinaglaanan mo ng sobrang oras yung bagay na yun. Tapos walang nangyari. Kaya ngayon, alam mo na di na, waste of energy, waste of time. Pero ito nga, na-realize ko, nitong birthday ko, hulaan nyo na lang kung ilang taon, wala pa akong 100, na hindi na ako bumabata kasi yung Friday after work and even nung Saturday, nakahiga lang ako sa couch. Nanonood lang ako ng
Series,
Summer I
whatever.
Turned Pretty ng Prime Video.
Maganda ba?
Ang ganda!
Talaga, hindi ko pa nasa-start na
Sorry,
nakita.
kung di
Ganda.
kayo hopeless romantic tulad ko, wag. Pero if you wanna go back to your high school and college days, yung mga jowa-jowa days nyo, wala nang nagpapakilig sa inyo, ito yung
yun.
series para
Okay.
sa inyo. So anyway,
Ako hopeless lang kasi ako eh, hindi ako romantic. Pero baka gumana sa akin, pare. Sige.
pero ikaw, do you think it's because of age? Kaya ganito tayo, na parang dead man na sa ibang mga bagay na hindi tayo magkakapera? Charing!
Well, I think it's not, well, gago ka talaga.
Mantra ko yun
Hindi,
na
eto na nga.
Pag di ako magkakapera dyan, wag na. Char!
Ikayayaman ba natin yan?
Yan.
Diba? I think it's not age, maybe a little bit, but maybe it's maturity.
Wow.
Maybe it's maturity. Because you know that giving your energy to this certain thing, this certain person, this certain whatever situation, sayang lang. Sayang pagod mo, sayang energy mo, itulog mo na lang.
Ano yung mga listahan mo na yan?
I think number 1 on my list would have to be, which I'm really trying to practice now, social media.
Amen.
Diba? You spend so much time creating a nice post, nice
Thinking
caption.
of a caption.
Diba? And then pinost mo. Sometimes you would get 100,000 likes. Sometimes you'd get 10 likes, 100 likes, whatever that is. But trust me, yung material mo, ginanon lang ng tao yan.
Oo, yung iba nga baka di pinanood eh.
Oo.
O kaya iswipe lang pataas.
O baka siguro, kilala ka nila, so nilike nila. Tapos
Yan.
hindi mo
mga
nila
ganun
pinanood.
din. May naka-auto-like. May mga auto-like din ako. Totoo ka
Oo,
dyan.
pero para sa'yo, dahil siguro ininvestan mo ng time and effort yung post, which is okay. I mean, if that's your thing, you're invested also in how people are gonna react to it. Kasi, ang daming oras na binigay mo dun eh. So, I think what I'm trying to practice, of course, social media will still be there, and I get my news on social media. I'd still be scrolling, but I'm really being more careful na wala na ako masyadong pakialam sa
Post din, bye-bye. Ganun ka na.
Post, mga likes,
Ay, hindi ka na masyado alert din ngayon.
comments, whatever. Parang nasasayangan ako sa oras. I could be lying down, resting, watching something,
Or spending time with your wife.
spending time with my wife, eating out,
Cycling.
cycling, doing something. But then, masyado kang babad sa social media
Wala
na
ka na nagawa.
sayang araw mo. Diba, could have been something productive. That's one thing. Ikaw muna. Mag-exchange na tayo.
sige.
One by
Sa
one.
akin siguro,
You don't
wala
care
na ako
about this-
masyadong paki
Okay.
sa sinasabi ng iba about me. Slight paki na lang. Pero before, kasi yung talagang, it will take days bago to get over it. Kunwari may nabasa akong hindi maganda. Ngayon, basahin ko. Okay. Naalala mo, there was one time, di ba? I asked you, Papi, sasagutin ba natin to? Tapos sumagot ka sa akin, hindi na. Wag na, okay na yan.
Don't
Hayaan mo
engage.
na.
Don't engage.
Sometimes tatamaan ka pa rin, syempre, tao ka
Oo
lang.
naman.
yung
Especially
mabasa kang di
if
maganda.
it's about your work.
Yes. At saka, alam mo yung parang, sanay na tayo dahil this is part of our job. There are people na gusto tayo. Meron din namang hindi tayo gusto. Meron din namang, syempre, magkikriticize sa ginagawa natin. If it's constructive criticism, I'll take it. Kukunin ko talaga yon. Minsan nga, nagre-reply pa ako ng thank you. Pero meron kasing mga comments that are, alam mo yung parang, grabe talaga ba?
Oo.
Gusto lang ako saktan nito eh.
Correct.
Alam ko na i-distinguish kung alin ng constructive, kung alin yung gusto ka lang saktan. So, yung mga ganon, dati, it will take days for me to get over it. Ngayon, wala na lang. Parang pagbasa, okay. Tulog, nod ng series. Ganon na lang siya.
Oo. You've
Kasi-
learned to not, to,
Hindi dahil wala akong paki sa kanila, kundi dahil
you protect
Paano
your
ba?
energy and your peace.
kasama yon and the fact na tanggap ko na may mga tao na gusto ako at may mga tao na hindi ako gusto. So, thank you sa mga may gusto sa akin. Thank you din sa mga hindi. Gets mo ba?
Correct, yeah.
Parang tanggap ko na hindi ako katulad ni Samu YG lovable.
Hindi, you can't,
No,
you can't
no,
please
there are
everyone.
people who are like that, Papi, and you are one of them. I must say, you are really lovable. Yung parang, when you go inside a room, madali ka nila magugustuhan, ila-love. Wala ka masyadong negative energy. Ako kasi,
Feeling mo ba may negative energy ka?
totoo. Feeling ko may negative energy ako sometimes. When I
Hindi, may
enter a
RBF
room,
ka kasi. May resting bitch face ka.
yan na nga, ang iniisip agad ng tao, masungit to, mataray to. Saka the way din I speak, yung parang full of authority,
Yes,
akala
oo.
masungit.
Correct.
Gets mo ba?
Mm-mm.
So si Papi is yung isang type ng tao, madaling i-love. Ako naman yung isang type,
They
ako talaga
have
yung
to know
hindi.
you.
They have to know me first bago nila ako magustuhan or i-love. And that's okay with me. I will not change myself because eto ko eh. Yun lang ako sa akin. So tanggap ko na ganon. May mga taong gusto ako, may mga taong hindi ako gusto. Kaya pag may nabasa ako na hindi ako gusto, okay lang. Hindi ko na siya masyadong dinidibdib.
You can't be everybody's cup of tea.
Exactly.
And you have to be okay with that. You're gonna get tired in life if you try to be
Please
everything.
everyone.
You try to be everything to everyone.
True.
No, it's one thing to be everything, but to be everything to everyone, you're gonna burn yourself out. But yeah, maybe it does come with age, no? Na medyo
Yeah.
after a while, parang there are things na
Okay lang?
wala na rin akong
Wala ka nang pake.
pake. O parang, I remember there
Hindi
were,
siya parang masaya ka sa, you're so much happy with your life to think about those stuff.
oh,
Parang
or
ganun ako.
dati may pakialam pa ako sa parang, uy, anong kotse nito, ano dinadrive nito.
talaga?
Oh, before. Na parang, uy, anong meron to? Ganyan. Ano na kaya yung bago niyang ganyan? Yeah, oh.
Sino
Ngayon-
yan? Pabulong? Sino yan?
Hindi,
Contractor ba yan?
ngayon
Kami?
parang wala na akong pakialam. I just found myself maybe waking up like a few days na parang, okay, I just wanna live my life, focus on my life. Maybe also when as you age, you realize that it's such a waste of time. Just para marites about this, about that, or, you know,
Chismis sa buhay na ibang tao.
oh. Tapos, will it really affect you? Will it make your life better? Probably not.
No.
So-
ako ngayon siguro yung mga chismis parang ginagawa ko na lang siyang katatawanan.
Ako rin.
Meron kami
Ganon.
pag-uusapan.
I
Yung
mean,
parang
not to say I don't
mapagtawanan
like
kayo
it.
sa group chat.
Oo.
Uy, nakita mo na ba ito si ganito? Yung parang
Correct.
ganun lang.
Oo,
And
may
then
bago
after
na
nun,
naman
wala
si
na.
ganyan.
You're not talking about it para alam mo yon, chismis per se ikakalat nyo sa iba. Parang just to laugh about it.
Also, one more thing is that before, I remember in back in the day, parang gusto ko lahat ng project sa'yo. May era akong gano'n na
May
parang,
bagets natin.
oo, diba gusto mo kuhanin lahat to.
Gusto mo lahat sa'yo.
Kung pwede, in every hour.
Edad yan, papi.
Oh, but now, parang, let's say somebody will inquire na, oh, can we get you for this project, ganyan. Tapos, hindi match sa schedule.
Okay lang.
Okay na.
Oo.
Okay, I just think about it as...
Iisip mo pa misa, okay na, at least pahinga.
Oo, dati, hindi.
Dati, mag-feel bad ka.
Pwede ba natin usog to ng konti?
Oo.
Usog natin to
Para lang mag-match.
Mag-match to. Tapos 30 minutes, kaya ko umabot ng Makati, Alabang yan. Ilalaban ko yan. But now, I slowly realized that if it's meant for you, it's meant for you.
Yeah.
There are so many projects, so many things out there, and everybody has to get a little.
Mm-hmm.
It can't always be you. Well, everybody works hard. Everybody needs a break also. You yourself, we had our breaks, luckily, and everybody needs their break. So,
tapos na tayo sa era na yun.
Oo, wala nang pakialam
nahahabol
masyado.
sa trabaho.
Oo, I mean, I'll do the best of what I can do, like you would do.
Yung may i-offer sa'yo.
Oh, if you're at a job, you'll do your best. Pero parang wala na rin akong masyadong pake kung parang hindi ko makuha lahat.
Yeah. Same feels.
Mm.
Hindi naman sa ayaw ko ng blessing, no? Pero siguro dahil halos magkasing edad tayo, we're both 25.
Correct.
Char!
Well, I'm 28 already, so
yeah, I'm 25,
a little
you're 28.
bit older. Yeah.
Dahil halos nalalapit naman yung edad namin ni Sam, parang halos same tayo na before you'll feel bad pag di mo nakuha to, no? Sayang.
Or hindi mo magawa lahat. Gusto mo gawin lahat. Not even work.
No.
Pag-usapan natin yung...
Yung kasama rin yun, di ba? Yung parang di mo nakuha tong trabaho na to, pero alam mo, kaya mo naman, pero hindi napunta sa'yo. Ngayon, pag hindi napupunta sa akin, minsan okay pa sa akin kasi mas gusto kong, halimbawa, mas gusto ko lang mag-bike or mas gusto ko lang matulog, mas gusto ko magpahinga.
Have dinner somewhere.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thankful din ako na tapos na ako sa era ng gusto ko may patunayan lagi.
Ah, wow.
And
I like
sana,
that. I like that.
Alam mo yun, yung sana.
Proving yourself over and over.
Nakakapagod yun, Nakakapagod yung era na yun.
I know exactly
There
what
was a
you're
time I was
talking about.
working Monday until Sunday. 9 p.m. to 12 midnight yung shift ko. After that, rarakit pa ako ng 2 hours. Naalala nyo ba yung Paddy's Point era ko? Papi, nag-Paddy's Point ako. Kumakanta ako sa Paddy's Point para lang
Seryoso
magkapera. Dalawa kami ni Papa Jack. Palitan kami. Sa isang Paddy's Point branch, nandun si Papa Jack. Sa kabila, nandun ako.
Okay. Hindi ko alam to.
Yes, papi. So, may ganong era ako na, okay, kuhanin ko to lahat, gagawin ko to lahat. Kasi una, sayang yung pera, nag-iipon ka eh.
Oo.
Pangalawa, exposure. Yung lagi inisip
Of
ko,
course.
exposure to, sayang to.
Of course.
Oo. And medyo pag naiisip ko yon, natutuwa ako na natatawa ako sa sarili ko na, uy, ba't ko yung ginawa?
Ako rin, may ganun ako. When looking back.
Pero ano yun super thankful with my Paddy's Point family. Grabe nabuo ko po yung bayad sa Toyota Vios ko nung time na yon dahil sa mga bracket.
Bumaba yung mga down payment.
Nailabang ko yun.
Mga...
Yun yung mga panahon na yun nga. Ang dami mo kasing gustong patunayan.
Ang dami mo lang, not just patunayan, ang dami mo gustong gawin.
Hindi, ako inaamin ko, may ira akong ganun. Ang dami kong gustong patunayan, dapat akin to.
Oo.
And I'm so happy, I'm so over that era kasi tama ka, maturity comes with wisdom. Nare-realize mo at naiisip mo na yung success hindi lang dapat talaga sa career tinitignan.
Correct. And not just because you're everywhere, that means
You're successful.
You're successful.
True. Work hard, work smart dapat. Not, well, kasama rin yung work hard pero mas work smart.
Correct. Not just because they see you, oh, Chacha is here, Chacha is there, Chacha. That means you're successful.
Correct.
No, maybe you're really exposed, but that doesn't mean you're
Baka
also successful.
overexposed pero hindi well paid. Pwede rin
Correct,
ganun,
diba? So at one point you get to that, I guess, point in life na wala ka na masyadong pake. But it's always good to look back at the things you cared about so much before. That,
nakakatawa, no?
Oo, matatawa ka sa rin parang,
About you,
shit.
ano pa yung iba mong listahan? Aside from social media that you care so much, ako yung dati yung mga comments ng ibang tao.
Comments, yeah, that would
personal
also be
man or social media, nasasaktan talaga ako ngayon, parang wala lang.
well, it might be funny. Like, alam mo yung, balik tayo sa I guess, taong nagfi-flex.
Okay, so wala ka na rin masyadong pake.
Dati parang naiinis pa ako na parang,
Linggo-linggo nagyayabang.
Ano naman ginagawa to di magyabang? Ngayon, natatawa na ako.
Kasi nga wala ka ng paki sa
Oo,
social
kasi
media.
doon na, hindi lang social media, even in person. May mga tao ma-flex talaga yung...
In person?
Oo, may mga tao ma-flex
Paano?
talaga.
Sample?
Wala, parang, binili ko to, ganyan, I just bought this, ganyan. Yeah, may mga ganun. I should come to an age. Parang,
I cannot.
I'm happy for you.
Paano yung mukha mo pag nagkukwento? Kasi alam mo pag nagyayabang sa'yo di ba? Paano ginagawa mo pag gano'n?
Wala, smile lang ako.
Okay, ikaw yun
Okay yan.
And once in our life, meron tayong mamimit na gano'n.
Hindi lang once. A lot of time.
Oo, tapos hinahayaan na lang natin kasi parang, okay, sige. Kaya naman, di ko na to kasama.
No, kasi I realize also maybe it might be true for you as well na if you stress so much on these things that
On
don't
small things.
even matter. You think they do. Kasi naapektuhan ka siguro emotionally or you want to get to a certain level and you're so busy focusing on that. Minsan nakakalimutan mo to count your blessings.
Amen.
Kasi there's always gonna be something you would want, something bigger, something better. You'd want this, you'd want that. That you tend to forget, shit, ang dami ko na palang ganito. Pero laging yun yung gusto ko. Or you'll get something, sige, first 3 months, shit, finally, nakuha ko na to. Oh my God. Finally, yes, my dream house, whatever. Trust me, after 6 months,
wala na.
you're probably gonna be looking for like, what can I do here? Ano pang, siguro kailangan mas malaking bahay. Ganun. It's never gonna end.
Mga Immortal, listen to the Underpaid Podcast with me, Stanley Chi, wherein we talk about work-related topics in a light manner na parang nagchichismisan lang tayo or nagkukwentuhan. Listen for free on Spotify, Apple Podcast, or kung saan ka man nakikinig ng podcast. Kita-kits!
I'm still practicing that, yung contentment. I can't say I'm
Same.
at that place na wala akong pake sa...
Same.
I'm so happy with where I am right now. There will still be instances na, shit, gusto ko nito.
Sana may ganito.
There would still be that. I don't think mawawala yun. But then, whenever that happens, before I sleep at night, I look back and I pray and I thank God for everything I have. That I'm living a comfortable life. I have
And
everything.
how far
I have
you've
more,
become.
I have more than what I have. And minsan pa parang ako pa iniya, parang, shit, ito na naman ako, may gusto na naman ako. Eh, ang dami mo ng like for what? So,
But it's not, I mean, it's not bad to
it's
reward
not bad.
yourself.
It's not bad. It's
Lalo
not
pa
bad.
you're so hardworking.
Oh, it's always gonna be, but it's just never gonna end.
Yeah.
So sometimes, wala na rin akong pake sa yung mga taong ma-flex. Kasi parang, okay, I'm happy for your success. No? I'm also happy for where I am.
Yeah.
I guess it comes with contentment. Yung parang,
Yes.
masasabi mo yan pag, parang, content ka na rin
Okay
with what
lang.
you have. Kasi, linya, there's always gonna be more, pero you're okay.
Daming realizations sa sinabi ni Papi. Kasi ako, I like buying stuff for myself. Kasi pag napapagod ako, tas nandiyan na yung bagay, parang nawawala yung pagod
Pero,
ko.
alam ko
And
yung feeling.
nakaka-guilt-
I know exactly the
I
feeling.
mean, nagigilty ako minsan kasi parang,
Kailan
dapat
ka naman kailangan,
hindi
hindi ka
pala.
naman nilito.
Gets mo?
Oo
Parang,
naman.
pag andyan na.
Naman, oo.
Tapos meron naman ako makikita, gusto ko to, nagpapagod naman ako,
let's
masipag
say,
naman ako.
Oh, you get a new bag or something like,
Yeah.
don't you notice like ilang months bago mawala yung kilig factor? May kilig factor na parang po. Finally.
Sa babae, mabilis ha.
Finally.
Sa
Eto
babae,
na.
mabilis mawala yung kilig.
Ikaw, on average.
Yung kilig, 3 months lang.
Diba?
Wala
3
na.
months average eh. After 3 months parang,
Kaya nga nung last time, meron akong bike na tinigil siya. Gusto ko nung bike na to. Kaya lang na-realize ko, may bike pa naman ako na gumagana eh. So, hindi ako bibili ng bike. Tapos, nasa utak ko kasi, ang bike, once na binili mo yan, sobrang mahal. Hindi siya kagaya ng relo, na mabibenta mo rin siya ng hindi masyadong malayo. Ang layo-layo ng presyo. Binili mo yung bike mo ng 500K, mabibenta mo siya 150 na lang. So, ayoko kaya ang nag-spend man ako, medyo sasabihin kong mas wise yung
spending ano mga
wise
yan.
spending.
Appetite.
Yung madaling ibenta.
Correct.
Yung, halimbawa,
Kasi may mga bagay
alahas,
may
yung mga
mga-
ganon. May value.
Of course.
Diba? Pero let's say, yung mga bags, papi, yung mga bags ko, nagsisisi ako ngayon.
Is it because parang feeling mo hindi mo na siya forma ngayon?
Hindi lang nakakatamad kaya magpapalit-palit ng bag pag may edad ka na.
Kasi yung laman ng mga bag nyo, ano,
Oo,
no?
tsaka
Daming-
siguro kaya hindi rin ako nagigilty. Ako kasi yung tipo na bibili ako ng second hand. Mas
Ah,
bibili ako ng
okay.
second
Makes sense,
hand.
makes sense.
Kesa bumili ako ng brand new. Kasi nasa utak ko, pareho lang naman yan eh.
Yung,
Tapos lagi ko tinatanong, mataas ba resale value niyan? Tuwing mabibili
kasi
ako.
ma-flip ka
Kasi,
talaga.
Oo, yes, ma-flip ako.
Pag hindi mo
Ma-flip
nagusto.
ako.
But of course, you use it. You use it first.
Gagamitin ko muna. Tapos parang after 3 months, 6 months, sawa na ako.
Mabilis ka mag-flip.
Yes, super bilis. So, especially watches. Yung alahas, tinatago ko eh. Kasi alam ko may value yung gold. Over time talagang
Of course.
maganda yung value niyan. Pero sa watches, sa bags, mabilis ako.
Shit, iniisip ko tuloy kung may na-flip na ako na...
So ako, yung
Ay,
mga nakikita nyo pong watches, piniflip ko yon.
Mabilis.
Okay lang kay Chacha bumili ng second hand kasi in my mind, pag bumili ako niyan sa store, ang layo ng presyo. Pag nilabas ko na yan, bababa na rin agad yung value eh. So hanap ako ng second hand store na maganda yung price. Na pag di-resale ko,
parang yung
hindi malalayo.
Yung depreciation,
kung binili ko yan ng 500, i-resale ko man, sabihin mo ng 450 or 400 mo mabibenta, pero na-enjoy ko.
ang tawag dyan,
Yun nasa utak ko.
ang tawag dyan, cost per wear. Nasulit mo na yung cost per wear. Kung nasuot mo na siya ng, let's say,
20 times.
100 days.
Yan.
Tapos i-divide mo yung 50,000 na talo mo into 100 days. Kumbaga, ginastos mo, say, what, 200 pesos a day to wear the
Okay
watch?
lang.
Hindi, okay ka na rin. If you look at it that way.
Tsaka parang
Very
sa akin,
bombay ang competition
lagi
ko.
akong pag hindi mo inuutang, kung lalo pag want, dapat talaga hindi utang. Yun yung sa akin. Yun yung mindset ko. Dapat, kaya ko siyang i-cash. Kasi pag di ko yan kaya i-cash, di ko yan bibilhin.
Ako baliktad. Mas ano pa nga ako dyan.
Times 4 yun sa'yo. Tinurong
times
sa
2.
akin.
If you can't buy it twice.
Bago na sa'yo ngayon. Dati
Hindi naman
times 4 sa'yo.
Hindi, if you can't, times 2 lang. If you can't buy it twice, that means hindi mo pa afford yung bagay na
So,
yun.
aaminin ko po sa inyo.
If it's a luxury item, I'm talking about
Yeah.
the luxury item particularly.
Kasi pinag-uusapan natin ngayon yung mga list ng bagay na wala na masyado sa'yo. Pinaglalaanan mo ng so much energy and so much time before. Ngayon wala na masyado. Material na bagay, I have to say, nandun pa rin ako sa era na pag may gusto ko, minsan binibili ko. Tapos, hindi ko pala siya gusto pag dumating na. May ganun ka ba?
Ayaw naman.
Dahil
Oo
nga lang
naman.
pagod ka. Wag niyo akong gayahin. Masamang ugali. Pero,
Ako, I find myself actually, the
pangit
funniest,
ng ugali. No?
funniest thing, susutin ko lang yung Garmin ko ulit. Parang,
Mas useful pa rin.
di ba parang, okay, gusto ko ito.
Uy, pero ako nga namamahalan din ako sa Garmin kaya.
Pero at least,
Meron din ako
this is
mga
a
bag.
very old watch.
Kung i-compare mo siya dun sa mga luxury watches, mas useful eh.
Oo. Tsaka
Kasi
parang,
kinocompute yung tulog mo, pang-workout
hindi, tsaka
mo.
mabangga mo, okay lang.
Yun pa isa. Oo, okay lang mabangga, okay lang magasgasan. Pag
hindi nga siya
naka-luxury
mababasa
watch
dyan,
ka,
diba?
hindi.
Oo.
Pero ako tinotodo ko talaga yung gamit para ma-ROI ko. Eh,
Ako,
ingatan ko naman.
ako ganyan din ako.
O, di ba? Napunta na tayo
No.
sa luxury things. Kasi, hindi ko sasabihin na over na ako that. But, nandun ako sa, alam ko kung hanggang saan lang ako dapat gumastos.
Si Esa was about to get me a bike for my birthday.
Sinabi mo, wag?
Hindi niya pinalam. Buti na lang hindi siya kumuha ng bike.
Bakit?
Kasi nga, may bikes, hindi nga ako
Ka
nakaka-bike
nag-bike?
masyado eh. I mean, I love cycling. No? And whenever I get a chance to, I go alone. I've been going alone I'm not sure napapansin
I
mo.
see that in your story.
Yung mga post ko halos mag-isa
Meron
lang.
talaga mga taong ganun. Mas nag-enjoy sila, cycling alone.
Hindi rin ako, not that I enjoy cycling alone. It's ayoko lang minsan mandamay na ng tao na parang,
Or meet up tayo.
gising tayo
I
alas
know,
6
I know,
bukas.
I know.
Parang
At least
gusto ko,
ikaw na lang yun.
pagkagising, more of
Kung
that.
anong oras ako magising, ganong oras ako
Boom!
magbabike. Oo,
More of that.
oo.
Kung nandun kayo, mimit ko kayo sa kapihan.
yeah,
Pero ayoko
yeah.
yung depression na,
6:30 a.m. meet up.
kailangan ko nandun ako ng 6:30, ganun kami, naghihintay sa akin. Yun lang yung ayokong feeling.
Oo. Na parang feeling mo work pa rin kasi
May call time, So
yeah.
parang, ako, text na lang sa kayo nagkakape, malamang dun din naman yung ending ko, tsaka tatambay naman kayo dyan. More of that. It's not that I also, gusto ko mag-isa
So,
lang
ba't
ako.
hindi natuloy yung bili niya?
Wala, na-realize lang din niya na
Hindi mo na
parang,
kailangan.
ilang beses ko lang nagagamit yung bike ko.
I'm sure sa kotse, hindi ka pa over.
Ano na rin?
Sa lalaki kasi, di ba? Parang,
Like I said, there's always gonna be watch, car, all these things. You're always gonna want more.
pero ayun nga parang ako naman, okay lang din ako for this stuff, mawala. I always tell this to my friends na malalapit. Kunwari, dumating yung time, I think nasabi ko na to sa podcast before, na papiliin nga ako, halimbawa, Or even now, dumating si Lord sa harap ko, tapos pinapili ako, anong gusto mo?
Pera o ba yun?
Hindi pera o ba yung? Like, family life na masaya or career na bonggang-bongga. For me, family pa rin, papi.
It's maturity. Yan,
Ako, feeling ko yung success for me sa edad ko na to is healthy kami lahat. Yun ang
Amen.
healthy kami lahat. Kasi just recently, parang may nangyari sa tatay ko. So, sana maging okay na. Okay naman siya. Hindi naman na ospital or anything. Pero pag may edad na yung parents mo and may mga ganong pagkakataon,
May ano ka na,
Iba yung-
may op moment
iba yung
ka.
kaba sa atin pag senior citizen na yung mga magulang. I'm sure yung mga iba na kasing edad ko yung magulang, ganyan din kayo. Ito yung laging number one prayer ko, that we're all healthy and mas makasama ko pa ng matagal yung parents ko.
Because now,
Hindi na, wala ako yung, sana po yung career ko, ganito. Siyempre, pinagpipray ko.
I think also,
I mean, wala na ako yung prayers about career. It's more of my family na okay kami lahat, yung health namin. And then, yung parents ko, bigyan pa sila ng mahabang buhay. Yun lang. Ganun na lagi prayers ko.
alam mo kung bakit? Feeling ko lang it's that we have time with our parents and we're young. Through our teenage years, they spend so much time with us. And then we start working.
Tapos wala
And then,
tayong oras sa kanila
we don't have time
masyado.
for them.
Tapos nag-asawa ka na bigla.
Diba?
Doon ka naman
Then family mo.
Yes.
And then now you get to an age where, shit,
They're also aging.
they're also aging. Shit, senior na sila. And you can't turn back time. So ngayon parang, teka, habol tayo. Habol tayong oras with your parents. Kasi, tayo dito, naging sobrang busy ka eh. 20 years of your life, you were grinding,
You're working.
you got married, you had kids, all these things. And now, shit, teka lang, senior na pala sila. Ano na rin, kailangan mo rin bigyan ng time to. And these things happen so fast because we get so busy. So we don't realize that there are also things that we tend to forget kasi
Dahil
masyado tayong busy.
Masyado tayong busy sa mga bagay na baka
Correct.
hindi naman importante
Correct.
masyado.
So it's a good reflection about things that, do they still matter to you? Things that matter to you so much. Do they really matter? What are things that you really should take into account or things that, should hold closer to your heart? Kasi minsan, maybe you're stressing out about the wrong things or stressing about the wrong things. Kasi masyadong pinofocus to. But at the end of the day, nobody cares about what, you're focusing so much of your energy and your attention on. I'd rather, let's say, instead of the luxury items, I'd probably focus kung ako lang.
Vacations. Same.
Travel. Like,
Kahit pa naka-economy class kami lahat.
oo naman.
Basta
Yeah, for me,
alis tayo.
same. If I can, take my wife, if I can travel more with my wife, hopefully we have kids down the road,
Yeah.
which of course, we plan to also. But if you're gonna make me choose, like let's say a new watch or a trip to, let's say, South Africa, makasafari kami, baka I'm actually
South Africa ka. Magulat na lang kayo, nasa South Africa na si Sam next week.
Hindi.
Ng flight.
Nakapunta na
Agad-agad.
ako, kasama ko si Tones.
Kita mo
Pero gusto
sana
ko bumalik
all,
with
diba?
my wife.
Kasi hindi pa kayo yun together.
Actually, first time niya mag-India. We just came from India. It's her first time to experience India. So I was a bit scared kasi magulo yung India. Magulo siya.
Really?
Magulo siya sa, may parts na magulo. Pero the parts na maganda, sobrang ganda. As in, breathtaking.
Okay.
So, I wanted her to get an experience of India. Kaya, ayun. Kaya sobrang siya nag-enjoy. I'm so
Oo
happy.
nga, nakita ko
I'm
sa
so
mga
happy.
photos. And I'm happy for you too. Para sa inyong dalawa. Nakita ko yung mga pictures niyo together. Nakita ko rin yung merong motor. Naalala mo yun?
Oo, yun yung una ko
pinost
pinost eh. Para welcome to India. Yung nilusot yung motor.
Tawa ako. Sabi ko, taray, parang nag-divisoria lang si Papi.
Oh! Ano yun, day one namin sa India yun. So siya parang, ito ba yung 10 days natin
alam
dito?
mo, hindi ko nakita yung ibang pinuntahan nyo, pero sana share mo yung mga sinasabi mong nice areas.
Marami pa akong post.
Papi,
Iniisa-isa ko lang.
wala sa bucket list ko ang India.
I know that.
Kasi
I know for a lot of
yung
people.
yung news about India, especially for women, hindi masyadong maganda, hindi masyadong safe.
Correct. That's news. But in every country, there's a place that's not safe. There's a place
Yeah.
that's safe. So, I'm gonna be posting.
May recos ka.
Yeah, medyo, hindi, ano lang. Oo naman. May naggawa na akong reco list for everybody that
Good.
wants to go to India. I still think it's one of the places you have to visit before you die.
Especially for you, kasi syempre may yung ano mo.
I think for everyone.
It runs in your blood,
I
right?
think for everyone. India
Really?
is a place that you have to visit before you die.
Oh, hindi ko alam kung naaalala ng mga kaedad natin. There's a channel before, nung hindi pa uso yung Netflix, na puro ang mga pinapalabas. Sky Cable yata yun. Puro mga Indian
Movies.
series or movies.
Oo, naalala ko to.
Na nakakatawa yung, di ba, na super,
Sa India kasi pa sa mga series, pag
medyo old school pa rin sila
old school,
ngayon,
babariling
Pablo.
ka, pero may song number ka bago ka mamatay. Pero nabaril ka na 3 beses.
I know.
Diba?
Yung mga nakikita ko online ngayon. Yan, ganyan yung mga napapanood ko nung bata ko.
Pero nabaril ka na 3 times, pero may song number ka pa.
Sobrang weird na mga movies and series nila. Pero na-enjoy ng mga Indians. Right? And the food,
Bollywood is bigger than Hollywood, ah. Bollywood produces an average of, I think, 800 films a year. Hollywood just 500.
tas sa inyo,
800.
Bollywood ang tawag?
Oo.
Why Bollywood?
Bombay, Hollywood.
Oh.
The Hollywood of Bombay. Still, mas maraming movies every year.
Okay.
I'm not saying better. But
Yeah.
I'm saying quantity lang
Kasi-
lang binag-uusapan
Kaya ako
natin dito.
nabanggit, dahil nabanggit mo na yung India, may nakita akong video just recently, parang 2 days ago, na grabe, sabi ko, wow, wala pa rin pinagbago. When I was young, ganun yung editing nila hanggang ngayon. It's still like that. Anyway, napunta na tayo doon, pero yung mga bagay nga na wala na kayo masyadong paki ngayon, na sobrang yung pinaglalaanan ng oras noon, sabi ni Papi, let us know, ano yan.
Yes,
May
comments.
nalimutan ako, another thing, ngayong mas may edad ka
Go.
na, ito for sure, baka yung iba sa atin ganito na rin. Yung may mambubwisit sa'yo, tas dead man na lang din. Whether katrabaho yan, or mamimit sa daan, or kung sino man, may nambwisit ng araw mo, gusto talagang isak lahat ng energy mo. Pero dahil may edad ka na, hihinga ka na lang ng malalim.
Sayang energy.
Okay. Wala
Sayang
na.
oras. So, I hope
Signs of aging.
signs of aging,
Signs of
signs of
aging.
maturity. I hope this episode, resonates with you guys as well. Maybe it's a good time, whatever.
reflect.
To reflect.
And also
whatever.
to not be afraid of alam mo yun, magkaedad.
Oh.
Kasi before ako, natatakot ako tumanda, natatakot ako dumating dito sa edad ko na to, malapit na mag-40. Kasi parang isip ko, ano yung gagawin ko pag malapit na ako mag-40? Pero hindi pala. Ito yung edad na pwede ka nang medyo mag-chill ng
Correct.
konti. Wala ka na masyadong kailangan patunayan sa buhay. Kung di pa kayo 40, ma-excite kayo dumating sa edad na to. Masarap.
That's so true. Every life, every stage has a phase, has things you'd be worried about, things you won't be worried about.
True.
But it's a good time to reflect. List things down. Ano ba yung mga, what are you so worried about? And should you really be worried about these things?
Ganda.
Balikan nyo kami. We have the comment section here, Spotify. Follow us on Spotify. Follow us on YouTube. Send your comments in. We try to reply to your comments on Instagram. Also, you DM us. We appreciate all your direct messages. And we read them.
Yeah.
We reply to them. Thank you so much for supporting the podcast. My name is Sam YG.
This is Chacha.
Be safe. Be good.
Bye-bye!
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.